In the automotive world, every dealership has its own set of stories. Some deals come through, some drive off the line, and others crash before they even start. At Atzenhoffer Chevrolet, our sales team doesn't just help people buy vehicles, they help deliver justice on the lot. These are their stories.
What do we got?
Hey, I'm sorry, you just missed it. We had a customer come in and she got scared.
Where'd she go?
Oh yeah, she's right out there.
Wait, ma'am, can I talk to you real quick?
No, I don't want to deal with it. The insurance, everything is too stressful.
Shoot, the boss ain't gonna be happy with this one.
What happened?
I don't know. She just left.
Who just left?
I don't know.
Now, what's her name?
We didn't get her name.
You didn't get her name?
No, we didn't get anything.
She didn't tell us anything?
No, nothing.
Is there anything that she said that could possibly help us out to who this woman is?
She did mention something about insurance.
Insurance?
Yeah.
Go talk to T at the insurance office. Maybe she can tell you a little bit about who this is. Maybe she went in to get an insurance claim or something.
That's a good idea.
Sorry, I can't help with that.
Well, all we need is that little bit of information. We can help our customer get into a car, telling him we can't get that information.
Yes. My hands are tied.
So if we can't get her into this vehicle she needs, that's gonna be on you. What's this?
Someone who could help.
Man, oh man, I gave this lady a price quote on some parts and she just looked at me crazy, like I didn't know what to tell her.
Did she tell you anything about what happened to the car?
Man, she just gave me a list of parts of what she needed and I gave her the parts that she needed and she just looked at me crazy. I didn't know what to tell her.
Well, did she tell you her name?
Yeah, she actually did tell me her name. Her name was Patricia Garcia, but when she told me that, something had ringed a bell in my head.
And what's that?
I don't know, man. When I had typed in her name on the VIN, that didn't come back to her.
Well, then whose name was on the VIN?
Let me look real quick, man. Oh, wait. This one right here says John Taylor.
Of course it was John Taylor.
We've dealt with him before. We'll take it from here. Thanks.
Hey, are you John Taylor?
Who wants to know?
I am. I got a couple questions for you.
I ain't got no answers for you.
Who's Patricia Garcia?
I don't know.
Well, you sold her a lemon a couple days ago.
I was out of limes.
No, you told her a bad car. You knew what you were doing.
Oh, dude, hold on.
You knew what you did.
It's not my fault, man. She gave me the money. I gave her the keys. She didn't ask no questions. That was that.
Well, I'm sure then you have the paperwork to prove that.
Look, if I give out the paperwork, will y'all leave me alone?
Hey, if you give us the paperwork, we'll let you go.
Just so happens, I do.
How convenient.
Now y'all gonna leave me alone?
As promised.
So what you think?
I think we're gonna have to go pay Miss Garcia a visit.
Yes.
I'm Ernest. This is Nathan. We're with Atzenhoffer Chevrolet.
I already told you I can't deal with the stress right now. Y'all can't help me.
Wait, what if I told you that we talked to John Taylor and we know about your situation and I think we can help?
You talked to him?
Yeah, we know everything that happened with John and what happened with the bad car that he sold you. We can help you. All you gotta do is come down to the dealership with us.
Y'all are really sure y'all can help?
Yes, we can. Just come with us. We can help you.
Okay, let me get my purse.
What do you think?
No, if we get the numbers to check out, I think we can really help her out and get her into a better vehicle.
So what are you gonna do?
I'll go find out. Why don't you tell me what happened with this vehicle? How did we get here?
It all just happened so fast. He told me if I gave him $3,000 a day that it would be okay. But now it doesn't even run.
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a little tough, but I think we got it.
No, wait, like, you serious?
Yeah, my manager, he's actually working up the numbers right now, and it's looking pretty good. This nightmare can finally be over.
Thank you so much. You don't know how much this means to me.
I'll be right back. So it worked out?
It worked out.
Wow, it really worked out.
Go tell her the good news.
Really?
Yep.
It all worked out.
Let's go take a look.
That's yours.
Are you serious? That's mine?
Yep, we took care of everything.
Yeah, if you're good with the payment,
Yes,
it's yours.
yes, I am. Thank you so much. Thank y'all again so much.
She's not gonna be the last one, is she?
I don't think so. Not even for today.